Good morning, socialites. So today is April the 4th and it's the first day of the Sephora Spring Savings event. So you guys are going to come shopping with me per usual. We usually do this every sale. Now I'm going to apply my skincare. I've already done a serum. So I'm just going to do my Clinique Moisture Surge, the Glow Screen Golden Hour. So I'm just going to mix that right in with the moisturizer all together and do this in one whop. So what I wanted to test out today is my Lawless foundation with a primer and setting spray, because we've done the wear test, we see how it wears, but since I'm going to be out all day, we're going to do a little bit of shopping. We're going to probably go grab lunch as well. And so let's see how it stands up with the primers and spray. The Supergoop does double as a primer as well, but I don't think it's the type of primer that like extends the wear of your makeup or mattifies or anything like oil controlling. So I'm still going to use my go-to, which is my e.l.f. Liquid Poreless Putty Primer in my T-zone areas. I'm going to let this soak in for like 2 minutes before I go in with the primer. I was trying to place my order, like my pickup order for a few items, and then look in store for whatever else I may want to pick up. And the same thing happened last Sephora sale. I feel like, are the stores locking us out from doing pickup orders? Because it's like everything was in stock, and then immediately, like when the clock struck 12 or 11 or whatever time it was, all of a sudden all my stuff got kicked out of the cart and nothing in my cart was in stock anymore. So like, what is that? But that happened with quite a few products last Sephora sale. But when I went into store, the products were in store. So I don't know what that's about. I'm gonna take about this much right in the areas that I tend to see the most shine. Now I know if I sprayed my face with the Fenty spray and then went in with makeup, that this would be locked in for 2 days. But I don't want to do that. When I did my Sephora recommendations video, super mattifying. So again, I'm gonna give this like 2 minutes and then go in with foundation. I'm gonna listen to me some 90s R&B. So we'll play some music so I can go ahead and get out of here.
Now I'ma put it down like that. I'm leaving, I ain't coming back. You don't like the way I act anyway. You really don't have to react. Don't try to change my mind, in fact. Honey, I've already packed all my stuff. We're no longer kids, let's move on. And you are not my kid, so I'm done. Please don't make me pull my gun. Sorry boy, I can't be the one. You know it, yeah. Nothing lasts forever. You know that a change will make it better. You know that nothing lasts forever. You know that, yeah, change will make it better. There's no one to blame, you see. Maybe we're not meant to be. There are plenty more fish in the sea anyway. Every day's a different thing. So I'm not into wedding rings. It ain't personal, it's the way I think. You know it, nothing lasts forever, and you know it, yeah, that a change will make it better. You know it, yeah, that nothing lasts forever. You know it, yeah, that a change will make it better, 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 better.
If you do one favor, just stay with me. I don't usually need nobody, but lately I've been on my own too long and deep, baby. Deep inside, I need your company. I need your energy, please. I can't hide it. A first class seat, a fly private. The last time I let you go and I regret it, baby. So drop your pen and I'm headed the way you're headed. I need you, same way your body need a heartbeat, ya. Same way you gotta sneak to Arby's. Honestly, if I be honest, I want you. If you do one favor, just stay with me. I don't usually need nobody, but lately I've been on my own too long and deep, baby. Deep inside, I need your company. So many things that you do right, you like walking on the beach in the moonlight, flying in the sky but you're too high. Icarus, I really want you close but you were too hot, damn. Something's up, too much a good thing, need more for us. Don't care what they say, know you're the one. So baby, do me one favor. If you do one favor, just stay with me. I don't usually need nobody, but lately I've been on my own too long and deep, baby. Deep inside, I need your company. One favor, you made me one favor, one favor, one favor, you made me one favor, I need ya, yeah.
I got everything in this life. I got everything it feels like. When you got everything, it feels right. If I got everything in this life, then how am I so lonely?
Okay, y'all, so we're headed to the Galleria, the Sephora in the Houston Galleria. I wanted to show y'all my outfit, which is simple, but it is so cute. It's like so spring. But it's stuff everywhere. When I tell you there's boxes, there's so much PR that came in. A lot of the stuff for the wedding, like my outfits and different shoes, and because I didn't know what to get in sizes and stuff, and it's like boxes everywhere. The house is a mess. They've already started canceling some of the items from my orders because I placed a couple in-store orders at a couple different locations just because you know how the in-stock situation goes. So hopefully nothing else gets canceled. Have they been canceling anything from y'all's orders yet? I really wanted to try the new YSL blushes that aren't even quite new at this point. They're not even that new, but I was waiting for the sale, and that was like one of the main things I was excited for that they canceled. So hopefully nothing else is canceled. And I want to get some really good swatches for you guys. Definitely want to test out the new Merit lip liners and kind of see how deep those browns get. And what else I want to smell some perfumes. I definitely want to get my nose on the Patrick Ta body care because it's scented. I also have a couple of returns. The new Donna Karan cashmere and vanilla, y'all. It gotta be my nose because the way people rave about the cashmere line, you know, So I need to go to Nordstrom. And then the Fendi earrings that I got last spring, the post broke off of the whole earring. And in case you guys don't know, Fendi jewelry does have a 2-year warranty on it. So I want to take those back to the Fendi store to see, you know, if they can replace it. And then we may grab something to eat, come back to the house and do our haul. I honestly don't remember the last time I've just been walking around Sephora shopping. Usually I hadn't been in there in a while, thinking about it. So I'm excited, y'all. I want to look at everything that I hadn't seen. So I'll see you guys in the store. So I had been itching to get my hands on the new YSL blushes, and they were just as buttery as everybody said they are. I'm so excited to play in these when I get home. And that peachy terracotta shade was literally calling my name. So these new Merit lip liners sort of took me by surprise. They have sort of a creamy texture and they leave like a shine and they don't really dry down. So I'm curious to know how they stay. The new Gloss Bomb oils from Fenty are everything plus more. The shine on them was next level. I really wanted to get all 3 of these shades. So the new Rare Beauty liquid bronzers or liquid contours, I've heard nothing but great things about it. So impressive to see how deep these shades get. So this Olehenriksen set, I didn't even know they had this, but this is a deal. The Banana Bright Eye Cream, which is one of my favorites. The Banana Bright Moisturizer, which is excellent. It also comes with a cleanser, so you get to try everything for $45 plus your discount. I highly recommend this set. You should already know how I feel about these Josie Maran whipped body butters. They are excellent. It gives you 2 days of hydration. So when I saw that they had the golden hour that has an amber and white musk, I wanted to see how it smells, but the scent was very, very light, you guys. I could hardly smell it. Now the new Saie blushes was another product that I couldn't wait to get my grubby paws in. The color that I was most excited to try, you guys should know, is the terracotta shade, which is called Chow. But honestly, they all are really nice. It gives like soft pigment, so nothing too heavy, very effortless, which I do expect from Saie. The new Love on the Beach perfume from LoveShackFancy was nice, y'all. Very fresh and sort of like florally sweet and feminine. It's a yes for me. Dedcool has a new fragrance out called Mochi Milk, and it smells just like a soft milk smell, which, you guys, is a lot more pleasant than you would think. Really nice, which most of their fragrances are. Now, I've smelled Chris Collins' Lost in Paradise before, but I just wanted to smell it again and let my fiance smell it. It's so good, y'all. Jo Malone has a new fragrance out called Beach Blossom. Very effervescent and a bit off-putting to my nose. I also smelled Replica's Almafi Coast, and it was okay. Now, I was excited to get my nose on Rose Whip, the new Phlur fragrance, and it is nice, y'all. It's sweet. It's on the softer side, so I would love to try this on my skin, but it's nice. Patrick Ta's new body care. Now the body mist, I don't know if it was just this bottle, but this sprayer is kind of wonky. The smell gives spa vibes, reminds you of the Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez spray, but the body cream was the star of the show, which smells nothing like the spray. Sweet, vanillic, sort of woodsy from sandalwood. 10 out of 10. The Way St. Bart set is such a steal. I wanted to pick it up for my upcoming trip. It comes with the body wash, the body cream, and the fragrance mist. If you love Sol de Janeiro, this 4-piece set is a must-have, and for $34, a steal. Now, Westman Atelier has these bronzing drops that are just, I guess, sort of bronzer-like products, I would say. They look really nice on the skin, but I don't think this is a product that I need. Okay, y'all, so that went well. Just like I suspected, the items that they canceled, you're gonna make a right here. So just like I suspected, they canceled the orders and they're showing out of stock for things that they're fully in stock. So for those, oh, they're opening up a STK right here. Y'all, we've never had an STK in Houston. I've only been there in Vegas. Wow. So if you guys tried to order something and it was in stock and then it wasn't in stock, or even if whatever you're trying to pick up from your local store is saying out of stock, they may have it in store, because it wasn't like there was one item left on a lot of these things. Like, they were fully in stock, and that happened on the last Sephora sale too. So Fendi ended up giving me, they had to like open up a claim, and they said that they would email me and let me know what's the next step on the process and keep the earrings until further notice, I suppose. And then return the perfume back to Nordstrom. Stopped at Laderac. I don't know how you pronounce it. It's a Laderac. It's a chocolate place. I've showed you guys, I've taken you guys there a couple times before, if you remember, a while ago, but they have the best chocolate. I like to get the one with the hazelnuts in it. It's so good. But I got something else that I never got before, one of those little mini deals, so we'll try it out later and see what I think about it. Okay, I know the quality is gonna change because I had to switch to my phone, but there's a new sushi spot, a newer sushi spot over here in the River Oaks district by Steak 48 and all the little shops over there. And we went a couple weeks ago. I didn't take you guys with me. I filmed a little bit of it, but I never did the vlog. And their sushi is so good, and they have these little I'll show y'all when we get there, so hopefully we have enough time to sit down. But if you're into sushi and you're gonna visit Houston, or you're in the Houston area, they are so good. They're one of the best spots that I've tried in a long time. So let's go eat.
Cause I've been where you are, but too scared to show me love, cause too fresh with the scars.